Here in Guitar Center, we picking up a new drum set. Stay tuned so I can show y'all what it do. In the meantime, why don't y'all look around? So the new set I'm gonna pick up and try out is called a Pearl. Getting the black Pearl kit, Guitar Center. It's on sale, you know, for the holidays or whatever at $199. Of course, you know, by the time I paid for it, it's about $500. But this is it right here. Bam. That's actually the floor kit. So yeah, I'm gonna come back. We're gonna do, you know, a little test, see what it sounds like, show how we put it together, all that kind of stuff. Should be fun. So check me out. It's the app. So they just went to go get it. They're about to bring it back. Sounds like it's gonna be fun. Picked up a simple set as well, Zelda Giant, a little you know, kick pedal or whatever too. So yeah, I think I got enough for right now to get started, and when we put it back together, you know, I'm gonna do a little review on them, see what they sound like.
Yeah, so if they're whack, you're gonna know.
Why are you all in my vlog? We're gonna put it together and see, you know, how easy it is put together, set up, all that kind of stuff, what it sound like, tune in, you know, get a good little review on it. So stay tuned, we'll be back. Yeah, so I just picked up some new drums from Guitar Center. We about to go through it real quick, put it together, show you, you know, what they do, how you do it, step by step, all of that. So let's check it out, man. Let's have some fun. Permission before you play with knives. Nope, 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 bust that open. This. Bam. Now, first thing we're gonna pull out, kick drum head. Actually the back. Front. Be careful not to punch a hole in it, bend it, nothing like that as you unbox it. You want to set that to the side. This is rim. Set that to the side. And these are all the shells and rims for your toms rim. So we just gonna put all of these to the side, and if you can see in here how it's set up, it's kind of you know, kick drum and your toms are in here like this. So we just gonna pull it all out. Make sure you set your instructions to the side. Alright. Screws. And we're going to start with pulling out the snare drum, which is actually already put together, lucky for us. So we're going to set that down. And get that floor tom out of there. I'll set that down. And now we have the bass drum, as well as the ring, which is inside of here for your floor tom. As you can see, I'm just placing tension rods through the clamp like this down into the screw part, and then you finger tighten all the way around. A little tedious, but it's really not that bad. From my understanding, guitarists are the ones that are considered to be lazy, not drummers. I play both, so I guess I'm lazy and not lazy at the same time. Alright, and you just go all the way around, like so. What I prefer to do is get everything kind of set up, lightly tightened, and then go back and adjust from there. Seems to be a little faster to me, and gives you a better gauge as to how much tension and everything you're going to want on your drum. Because what I don't want is the little wrinkles in your kick. Now it comes with 12 of these in the pack, and that's because there's 6 on the front, 6 on the back. Floor tom here. I have already put the head on, have the ring. You want to match it up according to your tension rods. And with these you have shorter tension rods than on the kick drum, about half as short. So there's also no need for any clamps on this because it's already built into the ring. So I'm going to drop them straight in, and once again, it's a finger tighten. Screw it down, make sure everything gets tight, flush, so that you don't get any bubbles in it or anything like that, because that will affect the sound of your toms, rig setup, and everything. Just slide on, tighten. And once again, I don't want to over tighten, so I can readjust as needed. But we have one on there, and then here's our second tom-tom, which is in plastic, pre-assembled. Just gonna get that out. And there you have it. So slide this one on, like so, and tighten. Now, as you can see, I've pulled out my Zildjian, whatever you call it, my crash, and it's set up. And you pretty much just have to adjust it so that it's, you know, according to your comfortability level and all of that kind of stuff. I really kind of need mine to be a little taller, so I'm going to adjust it here a little bit, raise it up some, and that should be close. And wham, we have a drum set. Ta-da! Assembled, put together, and all of that. And, you know, from here, it has to be tuned and all that before I could actually play it. But it's ready to be tuned, it's put together, and awesome. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll show you how to tune up a drum. And hope you enjoy. Side Street Kid, the F, and check me out. Check out some of my music, all of that. I'm on iTunes, Bandcamp, all that good stuff. That's Side Street KED, and I hope you enjoy. Check me out. It's the F.
Everything is what it's supposed to be. Life at the speed of technology. The future gon' be what you want it to be. I'll be right back momentarily. Get set, ready, here we go again. I woke up this morning with a kosher grin. Caught up in the pickle like a kosher deal. Trying to make sense out of crazy world. It's just another day full of spins and twirls. Partying shit with friends and girls. The scene was so thick like Georgia girls. Reset cat, let's shock the world. So hey, young world, it's me, my friend. Side Street Kid, the Avenue Kid. How you do when I'm the new shit? Ain't nobody fucking with this.
I know at times it seems